On the investment risk, so there's two items there. One is, what expertise do you really have in-house to analyze what investment you want to make externally, either with a portfolio manager, venture capital, private equity? I will tell you that most family offices, that the principals themselves don't have that expertise because they have not been involved in those industries. So we recommend they might have a friend, somebody that they trust, whether it's at church or just through, their community involvement that are experts. Go to them, ask them. People will tend to always help you if you ask them. They're flattered that you're going to ask them. So once you go to somebody who is in that business, maybe they retire, to ask the right questions, you get educated. They feel good that they're helping you. You might be able to then use those people in the future for like an advisory role to your family office and to expand what you're trying to do. But the idea here is you don't know what you don't know. And if you're making investments based on that basis. So we have clients who are first getting into, let's say, private equity or venture capital. As we want to invest in it. I said, well, what part do you want to invest in? There's like 300 different parts to it. So what do you know? So then we have to distill down, do you want to be in certain areas? Do you want to be in the tech area? And then tech has a bunch of areas. You want to be in tech health, you want to be in tech on the computer, side. So you got to go through this whole thing. And then you got to sit down and say, what's the track record of the people running those funds? Because a lot of times when the funds are like fund 5, 6, and 7, it's a different firm than when they got started. And what you're looking at is their rates of return for the prior funds. And that might not be indicative of what they're going to do now, because now they've made a lot more money. They have a bigger staff. They're not as much of an entrepreneur. So there's a whole laundry list of things that you have to look at, on the investment side. It's not daunting, but it's things that have to be addressed. It's like doing due diligence. You have to do due diligence on whatever your investments are. So on the portfolio side, for investing in stocks and bonds and your more traditional items, we tend to recommend to clients having 2 or 3 different groups do it, because we have found over time that overall our clients get a better rate of return because they know there's competition. And then what you can do is use information from each one to question the others. And if they know they're out there, that there's other investment advisors out there, I think they just do a better job for you.